Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash unstuffing. I actually have a fully funded envelope that I'm going to be putting this little placeholder in, and then cash condensing. So I have a few things I need to do in this video. The first things first though, I have all the things that I need to unstuff from my envelopes. Not too much, but a good amount that I'm going to be taking back just to the bank, putting it back in my checking account. So I'm going to take care of that first. I have coffee, which when I reload my coffee app, I just put it in here. So I know I have all the reloads. And part of this is from last week and then this week. So I have $30 that I am taking back to the bank. That's 30. And I like to just check this off and highlight it. You don't have to do both, but I like to do both. Next, let's see, I have a chair that I bought, Disneyland. I think Disneyland's in here because I haven't taken it out of my wallet because I went over the weekend. I did one mobile order through the app, so everything else though I bought in cash. So I have one thing to pull from here, and that's $7. I bought a drink, so that's $7. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in here. I will update the tracker on this one in another video. Just, yeah, I'll do that later. So $5, $6, $7 left in, or sorry, $7 is going to be unstuffed from here. And then I have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, $24 left in Disneyland. Okay. All right, so that is Disneyland. That one is done, and I believe those are, oh, I wrote the wrong thing here. Put Amazon as the envelope. I don't have an Amazon envelope. This is actually supposed to be furniture. Okay. So next I'm gonna go into the other black binder that I have. And this one, I'm gonna pull furniture. I bought a chair for my desk. I have a chair already, but it's very big and bulky. So like, and it has wheels. So pulling it on the carpet with wheels is annoying. So I bought something a little bit smaller, not as heavy, so it'll be easier for me to, you know, pull around when I need to. But yeah, I love the chair I have. It's just, it doesn't work in this space. It's just it's too big. So I got a new chair. It was $65 on Amazon. So I need 65, which I have 50, 70. $70, so I'll just take $5 back here. And this binder I can, update the trackers because these should all be correct. Okay, so let me update the tracker on this one. So taking out 65, so I'm left with 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. 58 in furniture. All right, cool. That is furniture, so that one is done. And then next is gas. So, which is road trip. Whenever I go out of town, so Disney is included in that because it's like an hour and a half away from where I live. I'm in San Diego. I like to take this road trip money and put it back in the bank for gas because I don't cash stuff gas, but my normal driving around town is not that much. So I already budget for that, and keep it in the bank. But for these like trips where I go out of town, I like to pull money out and, you know, put it back in the bank. So I need 35, so I have 20, 40, 45, so I'll just give myself 10 back here. Oh, this one actually was an easy, no issue cash unstuffing. Oh, I need to update my tracker too. So minus 35, and usually 35 if I, whatever, however much it costs right now. I don't think it's changed too much, but $35 worth of gas will get me there and come back. So that's usually why I do 35 for a trip to like the Orange County area. If I go further to visit like my siblings and stuff, then I would do more for those because they live a little further out than that. So balance for this one is 10. And road trip, which I don't have any trips planned for this weekend, so I have time to let that grow a little bit more. And that one is done. Okay, and then the last envelope that I'm gonna pull the money out of is my Christmas envelope, which is in here. I finally have that one fully funded. My goal for this year was $720, and I just reached that one. So I have 500 already in the bank, and 150, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 15, 20. So 220 in cash plus 500 is 720. So I'm gonna take all this back to the bank. I think I might still put money towards here, not as much. Like I don't have to go as much. Like I could do 5 maybe a week until Christmas or until I'm, you know, I'm done. Just to maybe save for like new wrapping paper and stuff like that. Because I like to make the gifts look pretty. And like I'll buy ornaments for them and like different special things to dress up the outside packaging. So I might do that. But this is kind of just gift money for all the people that I plan on buying gifts for this year. And I already reached that goal, so that's great. And then I'm going to take this back to the bank. And then once it's time for me to start shopping, I will take the money out of the bank. I know it's kind of ridiculous, but I have an actual Christmas binder that I have each person's name on. I made it last year, and that way I could spend for each person like from their envelope, and then kind of go that way. That really helped me out rather than just having it all here, because each person kind of has a different budget from me for Christmas presents. So that way I'm able to pull the correct amounts from each person's envelope. So yeah, I'll go over all that in when it gets closer to me having to do that. But I do have a video, and I can link it down in the description of me making my Christmas binder, because I really love how that one turned out. So yeah, all this is going to go back to the bank. This is already in the bank, so I'm just going to put this back in my where I keep all my extra placeholders, and all this money will go back to the bank. Just put it in savings for the time being until I need to start shopping. Okay, and then I'm going to take this fully funded and just put it in here. But like I said, I might just add $5 a week to this just to help it grow. And also whatever's left over in here, we'll just roll over to next year. At least get a head start on next year. I think that's not a bad idea. So yeah, that is it for Christmas. All right, so that is all the money. Oh, I need to calculate it just to see how much I should have over here. Hopefully I don't mess up, because last time I used my calculator, I totally messed up on the counting. 65, 7, 35, and 220. Is that correct? 357. So I should have 357. I'm just gonna double check it because I feel just second guessing myself. Okay, yeah, 357 is the total that I should be taking back to the bank. Oh, yeah, 220, that's right. Okay, cool. Let me count though to double check it, and then I'll be able to cash condense, because I do want to keep like these hundreds, these 50s, and I have some envelopes that really need to be condensed. So I have 100, then 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57. Okay, perfect. So 357, I'm good. All right, so now that that is done, I can condense. And I believe in here is where, oops, my little ghosty. My friend found me this ghost at Target. I was trying to find it myself, and I would look in the app to see if it was in stock at a store, and it would say it's in stock, and then I'd go to the store and it wasn't even there. They sell out so fast, so shout out to my friend Lila for getting that for me, because she's gotten me this little ghosty from this year, and then one last year she got me the one with the pumpkin. She always finds them for me. She's the best. All right, so auto repair. Actually, I kind of want to go to emergency first, because I know this one's super packed, and I feel like I can use 100 in here maybe. Yeah. Okay, so I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. Just condense this a little bit more All right, and then I have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, okay, I can't do that because I don't have any other hundreds. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then 10, 20, 30, 40. I can do two 20s here. Oh, I have another 50. Okay, sorry. I'm going to do 50, the other 50. My bad. I only had one for some reason. Okay, so that should be correct. 150, 200, 250, 251, 253 in cash, which is correct. And I have 2,000 in the bank. So 2,000, 253. Okay, that's better because that one was super, super full. All right, so I'll just go back to the front and see if I need any of these like 20s. We shall see. Okay, so here I can do a 20. So that's 100, 20, 40, 65. So 165 in auto repair. Okay. And then electronics. Okay, I have 20, 40, 60. Okay, this looks like I can't do anything there. Emergency's done. Furniture. I can do a 10. So that's 20, 40, 55, 56, 57, 58. Left in furniture. Rainy day has 80. I think, okay, I gotta do a 20. Okay, so 20 here. So that's 80. Registration's fully funded. Road trip only has 10. Scentsy has, okay, I could do a 20, 10, 15, 20. So that's 60, 1, 2, 3, 63 in Scentsy. Subscriptions has 235. Okay, 20. So that's 150, 70, 90, 210, 230, 235 in subscriptions. Travel has 65. So I can do a 20 here. And that's 65. All right. Oh, there's one other envelope. Oh, I guess I won't be able to condense it as much. I think next time I might grab some 50s, 100s. I might grab a couple of those. I'll see next time I do a cash unstuffing, condensing video. Okay. Actually, I want to go to this one, this treat yourself. I want to see how, because I just added money to this one. It might be a little full. I already have 1,000 in the bank. Oh no, I got a bunch of 50s. Okay, I'm gonna do a 20. Oops, got in too much. 20, there we go. That's correct. Yeah, this one definitely needs like hundreds. So 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 1, 2, 3, 4, 354 in cash. 1,354. Yes, that's correct. Okay, just want to do that one first because I knew it was it's a little packed. But thankfully these envelopes, they're super sturdy and they can hold a lot. All right, Go Wild has 500 already in the bank. I have a bunch of hundreds. I can do a couple 20s here. 10, 20, 30, 40. So two, okay, those are my last 20s. So in cash, I have 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 485. Oh, I'm close to being 500 in here. Okay, probably should have, definitely will be reaching 500 in here to do another placeholder. Christmas is good. Holiday decor, I'm gonna leave that one as it is. Fun has 15, so that should be good. And hobbies has 35. So yeah, I don't have any more 20s, so that one's good. All right, a couple more envelope binders to go through, but not too many left. Let me go through, oh no, I think I just took all the money back from here almost. There might be one in here because I haven't stuffed this month yet, but this one might need a little bit. Okay, got lots of 10s. Okay, I'll probably do a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that one is all good. Okay, and then that's it for this one. Okay, I barely have any envelopes in this binder because they're basically, most of them are in my wallet, so I'll have to count through there. This one has 59. I'm actually going to be spending from this soon to get some new like cleanser and stuff, but this one looks pretty good. Also need like some nail things too. I just realized I used to do gel manicures. I get questions about my nails all the time, and I used to do my own gel manicures at home, and I started having like some weird reactions to it, even though I've been using like the same stuff for years and years, like over 5-6 years, and not like the same exact polish, like for 5 or 6, just the same brand of polish for 5 or 6 years. Okay, so I have 31 in content, and yeah, I just started having some weird like allergic reactions to it, so I can't do gel nails anymore. So I've been doing little Dashing Diva stickers. I really like these because then they're cute. I have like little Halloween ones, which are really adorable. But now I'm gonna have to budget for doing that kind of stuff. Yeah, just getting like the little, thankfully they last a while. They last a few weeks. They're not too expensive, so that's not bad, but it definitely is more than it costs for like the polish, because that lasted a long time, so it's fine. It is what it is. But yeah. Okay, let's see what I have here. 10 in here. So that's 30 in family. Clothing. Let's see if I can do anything in here. There's so many 10s. I really need 20s. Apparently I need 20s from the bank. It's so funny. Costco has nothing. Disneyland, did I condense this? No, I didn't. Okay, I can do another 10. I'm also gonna try just doing regular nail polish. It's just, I'm so impatient with regular nail polish. That's why I like gel, because you can just like set it in the lamp and you're fine. And it's dry, but gel or regular polish, just I don't have the patience for that stuff on my hands, on my fingers, so I don't know. That's why I like the little Dashing Diva strips, because it's easy for me to use. Okay, I really can't do much in these envelopes. That's okay. I'm almost done. Target. Okay, I have 10 here, so that's 20, 40, 50, 1 in Target. Okay, so that is it. Now I just need to double check and make sure I still have what I'm supposed to have over here, which is 357. This is always my favorite part because I always get worried I'm gonna mess up. But look at all these 10s. Oh my goodness, 357. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. So 357. Perfect. All right, so like I said, this is all going back to the bank. 220 of that is going into just savings, and then the rest is going into my checking account since I already spent the money. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching as I condensed my envelopes condensed and unstuffed my envelopes for the week. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to hit that like button. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see more of this kind of content. I put out content every day, so there's always something on my channel to watch. But yeah, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate you being here, especially to the end. And I hope to see you in the next video.